a small business into a beast. It's incredibly exciting to be making these aeroplanes in South Africa and to come here and just to see the kind of effect and influence it's having in the world. And I think there were 3 people sitting in this space over here. Okay, look at this line of aeroplanes over here. So it's San Diego, Torrance, Long Beach, Santa Monica. This is where the students are, right? So John, there are like 300 students kind of in this space. And outflying and
outflying in and out. And so you'll see, it'll process all day.
This is a lot of kits, John.
This is a lot of kits.
Hey guys, it's Matthew from Sling Pilot Academy. Recently, we got paid a visit from one of the owners of Sling South Africa, James Pitman. Stick around this week to see Jean show him around all of our facilities here at the Torrance Airport, including the Academy, maintenance, build center, and more. Enjoy the video.
We are going to do a walkthrough this factory here in Los Angeles because I am on my first visit here in 6 years, I think. It is absolutely incredible to me how this place has developed in the last 6 years. I mean, it feels like it's turned from kind of a small business into a beast. It's incredibly exciting to be making these aeroplanes in South Africa and to come here and just to see the kind of effect and influence it's having in the world.
So it all starts here. There's Matt, and this is like the bridge.
You've got Matt, you've got Jean, and you've got Matt number 2 over there, who represents the kind of core of this thing, the 3 of you, because you are the ownership team, essentially.
We've got cameras on most of the important points, and we've got cameras down in Gillespie. Boom.
So this is the kind of administrative core of the place, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's where the money happens. So these are the guys we have to hang in with. I was here 6 years ago, and I think there were 3 people sitting in this space over here. And this is where all the decisions are made, right?
Yeah, basically. Yeah. This is it for all the locations. This is HQ for all the locations. Yeah.
Okay. Look at this line of aeroplanes over here. Sling up on the wall over there.
I remember when we had 3 airplanes in this, and we thought we were big time.
So, I mean, there are 58 Sling aircraft in the schools.
In the schools.
Yeah.
So over here, we've probably got 35 here, and the others are
in the other locations. Yeah. So it's San Diego, Torrance, Long Beach, Santa Monica. Yeah. This is where the students are, right?
Yeah.
And simulators, Jean? You got a bunch of simulators as well?
So this is dispatch. These guys look after, hand over the binder, make sure the airplane's in service and everything. And
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, these are awesomes.
Awesome. This is ground from
ground school.
Every day.
And how many students in the school here?
300 and something.
At a given moment, like so today.
Yeah, between all the locations. Yeah.
So this is the media room, right?
Yeah.
Hiya, how are you going?
How's it going?
Nice to see you in LA now.
Hello.
How's it? How's the editing and the post-osh stuff going, all right?
It's going well.
I actually haven't watched anything. I've had 7 days, seen more in America than I think anyone's ever seen in 7 days.
It's not a bad thing to do that now and again.
Green screen.
Yeah, you know what this is.
So that you can do interviews and so on. Yeah. I mean, a business like this is complicated. There are a whole lot of different elements, so it's not just flying airplanes.
I mean, you used to
finance, it's HR, it's media.
And you used to have an ad agency that did all your advertising.
Yeah, now you do it yourself. Yeah,
these guys.
You got people like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
You've got a whole media team. Let's rock and roll. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. So this little DPA office, someone doing his private license, he's busy getting his ground.
What is he, a designated something exam?
Designated pilot examiner.
Examiner, okay. So is that an independent person who comes in? I see, okay. So John, there are like 300 students kind of in this space and outflying and
outflying in and out. And so you'll see, it'll process all day. We need a bigger space. James.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Courtney, what do you do here? Are you scheduling or?
Yes, scheduling. I manage all the flight operations, so all the scheduling of all the academy students and plane movement throughout all the locations. And
what is this thing over here?
It's our weather map. wave it and it tells you what the weather is every 3 hours. So that's right now.
Okay, and if it will change color if
It'll change color if it like goes IFR. So
he's pretty clever.
You just have really good weather.
So you are helping develop the programs and making sure that it all makes sense.
You're doing an
Yeah,
excellent
so
job.
work here part-time. I fly for Atlas Air doing cargo stuff on the main part, and then just hang out here on days off and do documentation and whatever kind of little projects here and there, whatever John wants. Just trying to make John happy.
And do you do that because you want to contribute as well and so on? I mean, that obviously increase your workload substantially. I mean, you're flying and you
It's just fun to do.
developing and training and so on.
Yeah, it's just fun extra work. Like,
And it's a good environment.
It is. That's the main part. Is like hanging out with John and Jamie and this one over here. It was nice to meet you.
Cool, Andrew. Good to meet you. Go on. Maintenance 1, eh?
Maintenance one.
Of 3 bays. And you do different aircraft. I mean, like,
Yeah.
it was
So this
TSIs
is-
at the end.
This is mainly the Sling 2s.
Okay.
This is only in for an annual.
Once in a blue
And
moon.
then that side is Sling 2s, and it's also the multi-engine. We got a guy that came in and joined us recently, and he's taken over the multi-engines, and we used to have 4 multis and 1 flying at a time. Now
Yeah.
We've got 3 and 1 down for
At a
maintenance.
given moment.
Yeah. So that's been really great to have Damien in there and doing that.
Okay, and this is
Big
kit building. Let's go and have a look.
Yeah. Wings and empennages.
Building
Yeah.
and spray shop.
Yeah, so this little section is wings and empennage,
Yeah.
run by Bill over there. This is when someone comes in and does a build assist. They start with him, they build the empennage
Yeah.
for 3 days, and then they go to the wings and they do the flaps and the ailerons and mount the fuel tanks.
And Mario's target is 3 aeroplanes out a month
That's
of
the
this
target,
facility.
yeah.
I mean, that's why you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 wings. Unbelievable.
And this-
So in principle, John, if someone can come and do a kind of an assisted build with like 2 weeks
2
work,
weeks, 2 weeks and they're done.
that's
And
amazing.
then they
yeah.
normally come at the end to enjoy putting it together.
Obviously, the kind of Trump tariff deliveries have compressed things somewhat
Yeah. Yeah.
right now because it feels impossible to maintain this kind of intensity. But it's
But you do,
exciting to see.
it goes like this.
Yeah.
It's like this. And that one will go out and then the next one comes
I'm
in.
getting 3 a month. Oh, 3 of these are going to be out,
Yeah.
and then next month 3, and then next month 3.
Yeah.
Quick, yeah. Amazing. I do love all these quotes everywhere. Particularly
this one.
that one over there.
Yeah.
A world which sees art and engineering as divided is not seeing the world as a whole.
Yeah.
And I'm obsessed with kind of a form versus function.
Yes.
And you are a master at that. Jean
And,
is
there's
a mechanic and an
Mike's.
artist. Oh, and Mike Blythe's. Deciding to design the best airplane is a conscious decision. Making it so takes determination and perseverance beyond where most are prepared to go. Lovely. Mike Blythe, designer of Sling aircraft.
So this is final assembly. They come from the paint shop and they become an aeroplane.
I mean, it was quite interesting to me. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I mean, it's a kind of constant flow.
Constant,
You've got
yeah.
5 to 8 airplanes in each section.
If we had it our way, we'd finish an airplane every Friday. And
Yeah.
it sometimes
And-
happens like that. It's for 3, 4 Fridays in a row, you'll send an airplane to French Valley for testing.
And you guys know these airplanes well enough now that you can get them out quickly. You don't suffer from the kind of 90% done, 90% to go.
No, it goes
principle.
fast. It goes really fast from here.
It is quite exciting to see high wings coming through
It is. They're more high wings. Well,
in the
not at
process
moment,
behind
but
there.
Yeah. I think last week there are 2 high wings down at French Valley now. So at one stage there were like 4 high wings in here.
Yeah. So those are starting to fly at the end of the build process.
And the guys are enjoying them now. They're enjoying them. The kits have matured. They're great.
Lovely. Okay, let's keep going.
Yeah. Been getting a 40-foot container almost every day. We've had to hire in some extra staff to offload and to process it. And this is all a well-oiled machine now. Stuff comes in, goes out,
Yeah.
comes in, goes out.
So we've had years where we feel as if, we have been slow and you've been demanding goods from us.
Yeah.
And then when we sent this 2 months worth of stuff,
Yeah.
I was worried about whether you'd be able to cope with it. And I was actually looking forward to hearing you guys squeal a bit.
Well,
But it looks like you're on top of it.
So you know, the great addition to our team is Mario, our Chief Operating Officer, and he's done this great job. He's got this organized. He brought to the game a whole lot of new rules and experience.
And this is all on a computer system. You can identify where stuff is.
Yeah. So you can just go in the spreadsheet, look for something, and you go to the specific box and pull it out. All nicely organized and slick. So, you know, before, when we were growing, there was a lot of panic and search, and now everything's kind of orderly and nice.
But this is actually a small portion of the kits that you've got right now.
Yeah, this is about what, a third of the kits we got.
Yeah.
We're going to go and
see the rest.
Yeah. Kudos to the guys in the factory, to you guys getting it all sorted out. It's getting orderly, nice, you know.
Thanks, man. We're working hard at it. Yeah.
So sometimes we have 6 max slings and we do everything and then put the wings on, you know.
And you can test fly these here now.
Yeah. So that's made such a big difference. If we needed, at the amount of max slings we do, if we had to do them at French Valley, we'd have to have staff out there.
Yeah.
So this has really helped.
How long essentially to get an out of the container aeroplane flying?
One of these?
Yeah.
3 weeks-ish.
Oh, really? That long?
Well, you get it here, you can put it together, then you need to get the inspection, you need to get the transponder
So there's bureaucracy.
Yeah.
But you could put it together in 2 days and fly if it was just a matter of
If it wasn't for paperwork, and a transponder check, So we've done it in quick times, but the quality is really good now. There's still some small things that hold us up, like at one stage these pipes all needed to be changed because they were touching the exhaust.
Yeah.
And but the quality is really good now all around, and we are able to get them out quicker, you know. But it's the reality of it's about 2 to 3 weeks.
On a given day, I mean, most of these airplanes can be out at one time.
On a good day, if the weather's been good for a few days and everyone's in the rhythm of starting at 7, at 7, it's like, you know, the symphony of slings that
Yes, symphony of slings.
You must hear them because they're starting all around there. There's like 5 running up there, and we've done a time lapse at the run up area. It's just like slings in, and it's just like going. No, it's excellent to see.
They've got such a beautiful shape. To see them all kind of lined up. Makes my heart rise.
No, I mean, this morning when we drove in and you saw them, it must have been amazing. Because, I mean, there's nowhere else in the world, even at the factory, that there's so many flying slings in one place.
This is a Sling Central.
And I mean, you know, that's worked so nice, the whole way this business has evolved. Like we sent 1 or 2 planes over. And, you know, when I came here, I think there were 3 2-seaters and a few 4-seater kits out there. And
I mean, it's like a lot of journeys in life. You never know at the first step where it's going to lead. But after having walked for a while, you look back and you're amazed at where you've arrived, kind of thing, you know?
I mean, when we do this, when I walk around like this, I mean, for like spending some time looking at this, it's amazing. I can't believe that it's grown.
It's turned into what it has, Are we going to catch the trolley down? Are we going to walk?
Yeah, we can start
Let's
walking.
walk.
Let's look at maintenance 3 here, and then we'll go. So, maintenance 3. This is where.
And do these guys tend to do the TSRs, the experimental stuff?
Do the customer
as opposed
planes,
to the LSAs?
And then he's the expert at props and stuff, so he does all the specialized stuff. These guys do the specialized stuff. This is not. They don't just do the basic oil changes and stuff. Yeah, they do the annuals and the props and the more specialized.
So, Jean, you guys are doing 5, 6, and 7 100-hour MPIs per day.
Take it, work it out. 5,500 hours. So you got to do 50
airplanes a month.
So take out weekends. You got 22 working days. You know, you can work it out. It's
2.5, and that's without the experimentals.
Yeah.
So you're doing at least on aggregate 3 airplanes every single day.
So some days there'll be 5. Just how it piles up.
This is a lot of kits, Sean.
This is a lot of kits.
And some of these will be built in your build center.
Yeah. So those we'll look at just now. Everything marked TAF will be in the build center. Those quick builds will be in the build center there. So that's 4 aeroplanes for the build center.
And this tape here is Mario organizing things so that when a truck comes, you can go pack it with 5 or 6 customers' kits. First in, last out. And so it can cross America.
Cross American drop off on the way. Yeah. All well organized, and you know it just makes it look so easy.
So I mean, look at these fuselages. TSI fuselages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
High-wing fuselages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait.
I mean, you know, when I came to the factory, just when you started the high wings, before the three had flown over.
Yes.
I couldn't fathom
it.
When I looked at the mold, the complicated molding you guys do and everything, and I just thought it's never going to happen, and look at it. And the quality is...
Yeah, when I look at this, I feel proud. I mean...
I can imagine how you must feel.
Yeah, I mean, this is beautifully made.
It is.
And consistent, you know, so that is exciting.
Quality, all the problems are sorted out. The guys love building this, the customers love these. I mean, you must feel very proud, and everyone at the factory must feel very proud. They're just getting better and better every single time they come.
And would you come to, I mean, Los Angeles is kind of the most famous corner of America for us in South Africa.
Yeah.
You know, Hollywood feels like exotic and the new world.
Yeah.
And to see our aeroplanes here in large numbers just feels so good, you know.
Yeah.
Long may it last.
Yeah. I mean, it'd be great if one of the customers comes today that you can meet, you know, and just hear how they love
the experience.
They all love their airplanes, you know.
You just created such an incredible kind of culture here that feels healthy and sane.
Yeah. Well, you know, it is, and with our attitude that you spend more time here than at home in the week, it's important.
Your waking hours,
It's important that you enjoy it.
Yeah.
And if everyone's happy, you just get a much better product and a much, you know, we're just enjoying life, you know, we're just trying to make it enjoyable for everyone. And I don't think there's anyone in this business that is unhappy, and we watch people carefully. If someone's unhappy, we address it and make them happy, you know.
When I come here, you know, it doesn't feel like the end of the road. It feels like the beginning of the road, actually. It's quite exciting.
Yeah.
Well done, Boet. Thank you.
Thanks for watching the video. Do you have any questions or things you're curious about after watching that tour? Drop a comment, let us know. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and we really appreciate it.